Beautiful. Fantastic. Chef's kiss. So this is 5 reasons why Azure Virtual Desktop should replace your RDS environment. Number 1 is you don't need a broker server. So the broker server is completely removed. You no longer need it. So that's reducing your infrastructure requirements. Number 2, it allows you to run true Windows 10 multi-session, which makes it feel just like a desktop. Number 3, it's available for free, less of the compute charge, when coupled with the right licenses from Microsoft. So you need to make sure that you've got either M365, E3, E5, or Business Premium. Number 4, you don't need any RDS CALs. Because it runs Windows 10 multi-session desktops, you can get away with the RDS CALs licensing cost. Number 5, it supports most of the functionality works for Teams. So you can actually use Teams inside RDS, well, AVD. And those are the 5 reasons why we think you should consider moving your RDS environment to Azure Virtual Desktop, because you'll probably get a better user experience and it should work out a little bit more cost effective. If you liked today's video, please drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.